Hey fifth graders, Mr. Riedl here. I hope that you have been having a great summer, and I definitely have been having a great summer too, but I'm also really looking forward to this fall. I'm looking forward to the first day of school and getting to know you and all the stuff that we're going to learn. We're going to have a great time. And you may notice in the back there are no Pez dispensers on the wall. So right now all my Pez dispensers are here in little containers because of the fact that, and this isn't even all of them, I have a whole bunch more over here in a big bin. I decided that I'm going to do something new and different with my Pez wall. So when you come in during open house to bring all your stuff in and put your school supplies down at your table, this is going to look completely different. If you were here last year, you know what my Pez wall probably looks like, so it's going to look very different. So stay tuned for that. And in addition to having a new Pez wall over here, you're also going to get a new 5th grade teacher. Mrs. McCaslin is going to be next door to me. She's going to be teaching social studies and I'm going to be teaching science. So no matter who you have as a teacher officially, you're actually going to get both of us as a teacher because I'm going to teach both 5th grade classes for science. And I'm really excited about that because I love science. In fact, I think she's here right now setting up her classroom. So let's go find out if she has anything she wants to say. Well, I thought she was in here. Oh, there she is. She's sleeping. Hey, wake up!
Oh, hey, hi, good morning. Is it September yet?
Yes.
Have you made your video?
Yes, I'm finally making my video.
Oh, good. I can't wait to see the kids. In fact, I'm just going to stay here till they come.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You're going to sleep here, huh?
Sure, why not?
Day and night.
Okay. See you guys. Have fun opening your lockers.
So we're going to have a great year with Mrs. McCaslin, and it's going to be awesome. But before you even get here, I'm making this video because I want you to be able to learn how to open your lockers. Sometimes lockers can be a little bit intimidating. It can be a little nerve-wracking to open a locker for the first time. So I'm making this video so that you can watch and see how it's done, so you don't have to be nervous. Alright, so this is what's going to happen. You are going to come through this door during open house on the Tuesday after Labor Day, and you're going to bring your school supplies and you're going to find your spot wherever your table is, where your name is, and you're going to put your stuff down. And you're going to come to me and you're going to introduce yourself to me, and I'm going to say, hi, I'm Mr. Riedl, and then I'm going to give you a note card. And on this note card you are going to have a locker combination. And so for this practice one, the locker combination is going to be 28, 6, 40. Alright, so this isn't going to actually be someone's locker combination during the school year. I'm going to change them before the first day of school. But for this practice one, this is what it's going to be. Alright, so I'm putting my locker combination here so it's easily visible for the video. But when you get your locker combination, you're probably going to want to keep it out of sight so that nobody else sees it, because you're going to want to keep your locker combination private. And then after the first day, hopefully you'll memorize it so that you won't have to have a piece of paper here anymore. Okay, so the first step is to turn it to the right. Turn it clockwise. Whenever I say to the right, I'm talking about clockwise, and when I say to the left, I'm talking about counterclockwise. So clockwise to the right, and I'm just going to turn it a whole bunch of times because I need to clear the mechanism inside of the lock so that it resets. And then I look for the first number. So I keep turning it to the right until I get to the first number. So 28 is the first number, so I'm turning it so that I can see, and then I slow down when I get near 28, and then I stop right on the line. So 28 is the first number, so I turned it right to 28, and now I turn it the opposite way. I turn it to the left, and I look for 6. So I'm turning it to the left, I'm looking for 6, and then there's 6, but the special thing with the middle number is that you pass it. So I'm passing 6, I'm still turning to the left, and I pass it once, and then I come back to it. So the second number I pass, and then I go to it the second time. So I passed it once, and then I'm back to it, and then the third number I turn it to the right again, and then I stop at 40. And that should be it. Lift it up, and there you have your locker. So that's pretty much it. If you want to rewatch this video, you can just, go back and then watch it again however many times that you need to in order to feel comfortable about it. I have a printable document right here. You can print off a document that has pictures and directions on it that you can use. And I will also print those off and have them here for you during open house on the first day of school and the first week. So you'll have plenty of resources, and I'll be here to help you if you need to, but hopefully this YouTube video will be helpful enough for you. Locker's a lot of fun, but this is just the beginning. When we get into the classroom, that's where the fun is going to happen. That's where we're going to get to know each other and going to have an awesome classroom community together. And it wouldn't be a classroom community without you, because I'm so excited to get to know you, and without you, it wouldn't be the same. And Mrs. McCaslin's class, we're going to have a lot of fun together, and I'm looking forward to a great school year, and I hope you are too. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and get excited. First day of school is coming soon.